Good morning. Yeah. I am Brother Jocelyn Pichaco, the presbyter and local pastor of Media. I'm very glad to welcome all for this special program, the engagement of our Media and Melden. And actually, we have a liturgy because Susa Mayandi, the mother of Vidya and Vidya, they personally visited me and insisted me to prepare a liturgy for today's engagement program. The reason for that, today we are using two languages, English and Malayalam simultaneously, because I understand that the honorable guests from Chennai, they are not well versed in Malayalam, even though we share the same legacy and same culture. We are all belongs to the Dravidian